Evening friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you for the opportunity give to us, group of 6, to represent the results of our work. Okay. Game and animation. Theory of computer, game and computer, animation and general profile. Explain specific game and animation and its function and the type. To the present, I invite. Okay, next.
Garena Free Fire, or commonly called Free Fire, often abbreviated as FF, is a battle royale game developed by 111.studio and published by Garena for Android and iPhone OS. It became the most downloaded mobile game globally in 2019 due to its popularity. The game received an award for Best Popular Vote Game by the Google Play Store in 2019. As of May 2020, Free Fire has set a record with more than 80 million daily active users worldwide. As of November 2019, Free Fire has earned more than US dollar 1 billion worldwide. Next, please. Can be concluded Free Fire developer developer 111, publisher Garena, and Engine Unity, platform Android iPhone OS, release date 30 September 2007, genre Battle Royale, mode multiplayer. Garena is currently working on an enhanced version of Free Fire which will be called Free Fire Max. Please next.
Garena Free Fire is one of the most popular mobile battle royale games after PUBG Mobile, Fortnite Battle Royale, and Call of Duty Mobile. Free Fire was the fourth most downloaded game on the Google Play Store in the fourth quarter of 2018 and was the fourth most downloaded game worldwide in 2018 on iOS and Google Play Store simultaneously. The title earned approximately 118 million downloads in 2018, making it the second earner and estimate $19.14 million in monthly revenue to date. December 2018 become Garena's significant financial success. As of February 2020, Free Fire had 500 million downloads on the Google Play Store. Free Fire was awarded as the best battle royale game at the 2021 Pocket Games Award. Next.
Please next, Irfan.
The following is a list of character named in their skill form in the Free Fire game. Adam. Adam is the default character that you will get when you play the Free Fire game as default character, of course. Adam does not have a very special skill like other characters in the Free Fire game. The only advance that Adam has in option to change his skin color and outfit to your head's content. The care is perfect for those of you who are just learning to play Free Fire or are beginners. Eevee. Eevee is a playable character in Free Fire. Battleground, along with Adam. Eevee is the fish character unlocked for the player at the start of the game. Specifically, Eevee has no specific ability, but just like Adam, Eevee is to change the color of her skin according to the player wish. And now lack of ability to use special skill. Next, please.
Irfan.
Andre is the of the match in the late Polish character in the Free Fire game. He has a cup for specific speed his life to get criminals. The la police is on of the half match of Andre's character. Andre is man skill is armor specialties. Where in the core skill when continue to incur in life in life with level you will get 100 character if you're into level 5 or 6. Anthony is a character whose is to grow up as a gangster because he lived as an orphan since childhood. Anthony can be said to have the chicken, whole chicken, blood chicken, or have other character suitable for horse of usually on blood. Sickness, the mind skill or ability of Anthony is gangster spirit, which will in scarce as Antonio character life increase, the effect of this skill will make Antonio blood teacher up to level 7. The Malay life of Anthony. Next, please. Next, please.
Next.
Next, please.
Please next, Emma.
The name of the number 6 Free Fire character comes from the Navy. The main skill of this character is the Wheel of Iron. The function of this skill is to reduce damage when fort is outside his safe zone. The more fragments the fort collects, the more the Wheel of Iron will increase. At the highest level, fort can even increase the Wheel of Iron skill by 24% when he is at level 8. Hayato. Hayato is the most suitable character for players who play with a barbarian style. Hayato's mainstay ability is Bushido, passive skill which makes him increase his damage amidst a decrease in Hayato's health or blood level. But you need to understand if this skill is like a double-edged sword. If you spam too much, your level will also decrease. The effect is that the blood on Hayato will be thinner level 8. Moko. One of the main skill or abilities of Moko is being able to mark the enemy when an attack from him. Moko will be suitable for those who are comfortable playing as a sniper, or it can be combined with other characters such as Laura, for example. Sang from Moko given to the enemy will usually last for a few seconds first. While still at level 1, the sig will be active for 2 seconds, while at the maximum level, the sig from Moko will last for approximately 5. Misha. The Race Queen is the nickname given to Misha, a Wrecker-based character. When Misha is holding the wheel, it is guaranteed that the enemy will find it difficult just to shoot Misha with the existing weapons. What's even more amazing is that when Misha reaches level 8, the speed of the vehicle will increase by 12%, and the damage received will be reduced by 12%, which Misha is perfect for those of you who like to drive. Next.
Okay, Kla. Kla is character who released on martial arts techniques, namely Muay Thai. In accordance with the technique he mastered, Kla is from Thailand and released a lot on techniques in the form of deadly blows. The damage from Cla's punches is often compared to some other deadly free fire weapons. One hit from Cla can produce can product 275 damage. No wonder Cla is often relied on in battle, especially at the beginning of the game. Next, Maxim. This character is very often called less virtuous in battle, especially when in the early game. But there is still a lot of potential that can be utilized from Maxim, especially with other hero combos. Maxim is mainstay skill is gluttony, which can make him eat mushrooms very quickly from level 2. From level 2 to 12%. As a result, Maxim recovers faster than before and returns to attack the enemy. Kelly or Wu is more familiar Khaled Shimada Kiriko is a fast runner since he was at the high school. At the high school level, no matter how big of an obstacle Kiriko faced, she would keep running fast. Some time ago, Free Fire tried to revamp Kelly with a faster version, namely Kelly the Swift, which has the skill that light velocity, which will automatically activate for 7 seconds of sprinting. Laura. Laura is one of the characters who has a very unique skill, namely aiming at the enemy. Not infrequently, Laura is often used to aim at opponents, even though she is required to use a scope to shoot from a distance. Laura is widely used by users who like to play randomly. Even though you have special sniper style skills, when using Laura, you must be aware of enemy positions that know you will both. Okay, next.
Five strongest Free Fire characters in 20 and 22. In determining the best Free Fire character of the strongest, you will definitely encounter difficulties. This is because you have to try the skill of each hero as well as try several combinations. Now, to make it easier for you to choose a character, here are recommendations from the most powerful characters in 20 and 22. Number 1, Shine. Shine is 39 character in Free Fire, which was just released in mid-April in 20 and 22. This fan of all extreme sports has a special skills, Extreme Encounter, which can temporarily increase 18 HP in 10 seconds. During this duration, Shine's damage also increased to 100% or max level. The only thing that Shine lacks is the long cooldown, 150 and 100 seconds. However, when viewed from the damage ability of Shine, this character is still suitable to be included in the list of the best heroes. Number 2, DJ Alok. DJ Alok has been known as the most popular Free Fire characters. However, since the start of Chronometa, Alok popularity has started to wane, but because Chrono got a nerf in patch OB27, this Brazilian DJ is back in popularity at maximum level. Drop the bait, which is DJ Alok's mainstay skill, can restore 5 HP for 10 seconds and increase running speed by 15%. The skill is effective with him 5 meter. So colleagues around DJ Alok will also get the effect of the skills. Next, please. Number 3, A124. Talking about active skills, A124 is indeed the character with the shortest cooldown duration among other characters. A124 can even use the thrill of battle skill every 10 seconds, turning 60 HP into HP in just 4 seconds. A124 will be very suitable when combined with Miguel. Oh my god! Sorry. Which Miguel character who can recover 80 AP every time he skills. So overall, you don't have to worry if you run out of AP in the game. Number 5, Skylar is a character that was released just before Hyler, which released on several previous Free Fire patches. Skylar's mainstay skills is called Repeated Rhythm, which can emit sonic wave within 100 meters. Skylar's deadly skill is also equipped with a short cooldown ability, which is only 1 minute at the first level, then decreases to 40 seconds when it reaches the peak level. This skill from Skylar makes it difficult for all opponents to hide. Number 6, Captain Boya. The character K in the Free Fire games, in adaptation of the character DJ KSHMR, a disc jockey from the United States. Until now, increase the level of K is still a mystery. However, his estimate passive skill can increase his maximum AP to 150. K is a professor and jiu-jitsu expert who has a skill called the Master of All. His ability allows him to increase his maximum AP by 50 in jiu-jitsu mode. Rematch with him a 6 meters radius gain a 50% increase in AP conversion rate. The list of Free Fire characters in the article can certainly be reference for you before the game starts. Each character doesn't have their own special skills, so that from the list there are characters who are better or stronger. Next, please.
Quoted from various sources, there are 5 weapons that will be buffed in the latest update of the Free Fire event, including Scar, Groza, K9AK, M60, MP5. Well, through the following article, the author will review each update of the weapon. Instead of being serious, let's take a look together. Free Fire Weapon Scar. After release, the new egg update on December 17, 2001, The player is most favorite FF weapon. The Scar will get a 10% reduction in recoil. It is hoped that after this recoil reduction, it will make Scar more stable. For information, quoted from the Garena FF, weapon Scar is still a low recoil weapon. The most painful FF weapons damage card 9A key. Weapons that are included in the sniper rifle category will receive an additional 10% buff in terms of rate of fire. Currently, the card 9A key rate of fire is still at 27. The addition of course can make the weapon reduce the length of the next shot. Okay, next. Next, Diva.
Free Fire weapon M60. The buff given the light machine gun LMG category will reduce recoil by 30% when the player is prone. So the M60 can be more accurate when fired at the enemy. The M60 is a weapon suitable for short to medium range combat. The most painful FF weapon damage MP5. Increasing the rate of fire to MP5 weapons by 5% will make a big difference when players do long to medium range battles. The buff makes the MP5 shoot faster. Predictably, this weapon will become a favorite of players in the battle arena. Wait. Free Fire weapon Groza. Leslie Groza, weapon belonging to the assault rifle family, get the biggest buff in the new age. Even update later, armor penetration of 20% allows Groza to increase his ability to penetrate enemy armor with the most damage for FF weapons. Okay, next please. Models auxiliaries and similar expression part Modal auxiliaries and similar expression. Part 4. Polite request with I as the subject. Polite request with you as the subject. Polite request with would you mind. Next, please. Polite request with I as the subject. May I? May I please borrow your pen? Could I borrow your pen, please? A. May I and could I are used to use permission. They are equally polite. B. In polite request, could has present or future meaning, not a past meaning. Can I borrow your pen? Can I use that informally to request permission, especially if the speaker is talking to someone she or he knows fairly well. Can I usually not considered as polite as may I or could I? Typical response: certainly, yes, certainly, of course, yes, of course, sure. Often the response to a polite request consists of an action, a nod or shake of the head or simple who. Mike is also possible. Mike, I borrow your pen. Mike is quite formal and polite. It is used much less frequently than may I or call. Please, next.
Polite request with you as the subject. Will you? A. Will you pass the salt, please? B. Will you please pass the salt? The meaning of will you and will you in a polite request is the same. Will you is more common and is often considered more polite. The degree of politeness, however, is often determined by the speaker's tone of voice. Could you? C. Could you pass the salt? Basically, could you and would you have the same meaning. The difference is like, would you? Do you want to do this, please? Could you? You want to do this, please? And is it possible for you to do this? Could you and would you are equally polite. Can you? D. Can you pass the salt? Can you is often used informally. It usually sounds less polite than could you or would you. Typical response: yes, I would be happy. Yes, I'd be glad to. Certainly. So, informal. A person usually responds in the affirmative to a polite request. If a negative response is necessary, a person might begin by saying, I'd like to, but I can't reach it. I'll ask Tom to pass it to you. Next, please. Polite request: would you mind? Asking permission. A. Would you mind if I close the window? B. Would you mind if I use the phone? Note A. Would you mind if I is followed by the simple past. The meaning in A. May I close the windows? Is it trouble or discomfort? Is I close the window? Typical response. No, not at all. No, of course no. Not, no, that would be fine. Another typical response might be meaning no. Asking someone else to do something. C. Would you mind closing the window? D. Excuse me, would you mind repeating that? Notice in C. Would you mind is followed by ing a grunt. The meaning in C. I don't want to cause you any trouble, but would you please close the window? Would the cause you any inconvenience? Typical response, no, I'd be happy to. Not at all, I'd be glad to. Sometimes in informal spoken English, the simple present in usage, would you mind if I close the window? Not. The simple past does not refer to past time of the would you mind. It refers to present or future time. See card 10 and 3 for more information. Next. Next, Irfan.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the time. Yes, maybe that's all we can present. More or less we publish. That's all from our presentation today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you. See you next time video.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.